Hello dear students, welcome back to our course. As you can remember, my name is Magavina Gulbahot Muradovna, and today we are going to speak about hydrocarbons. These are the simplest organic compounds composed only of carbon and hydrogen. Yet they form the backbone of everything, from the fuels we use to power our lives to the plastic and the chemicals that shape our world. And in this lesson, we will explore the different types of hydrocarbons, their properties, how they are used, and their impact on the environment. So, let's get started. Hydrocarbons can be divided into two main types, aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbons. Each of these groups has unique structures and properties, influencing how they behave and where they are used. Hydrocarbons are essential in many industries due to their various structures and properties. Now let's take a closer look at each type of hydrocarbon to understand what makes them unique and where they are most commonly used. Aliphatic hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons that don't contain a benzene ring. They include straight, branched, or cyclic structures, and they can be further categorized into alkanes, single bonds only, saturated hydrocarbons, alkanes, at least one double bond, unsaturated, and the alkanes, at least one triple bond, unsaturated. Aliphatic hydrocarbons are found in natural gas, petroleum, and serve as the building blocks for many fuels and chemicals. Aromatic hydrocarbons contain one or more benzene rings, which are structures with alternating double and single bonds that create a stable ring. Benzene, CH, is the simplest example. These compounds are widely used in the production of dyes, plastics, and pharmaceuticals. The unique structure of aromatic compounds makes them stable, reactive enough to be useful in many industrial processes. Now we understand that the types of hydrocarbons, and let's explore where they come from. And they are primarily sourced from natural deposits, and they play a main role in our global energy and manufacturing industries. So let's take a closer look at the main sources of hydrocarbons. So, for example, the first one is crude oil, fossil fuels, natural gas. They are primarily sources of hydrocarbons because they formed over millions of years from the remains of plants and animals, and these resources are rich in hydrocarbons, and they are extracted for use in energy production, transportation, and manufacturing. As for synthetic production, hydrocarbons can be also synthesized in laboratories and factories This is especially useful in producing specific hydrocarbons for use in industry and also in pharmaceuticals and in plastics and other specialized industries. Okay, understanding these sources helps us see the importance of hydrocarbons in energy and industry, as well as the challenges related to their extraction and their sustainability. Hydrocarbons are used in a wide variety of applications, from energy production to the manufacturing of everyday products. And hydrocarbons play an important role in modern life. For example, in energy production, fossil fuels, petroleum and natural gas. These fuels are burned in power plants, transportation, industrial operations to provide heat, electricity and mechanical energy. As for plastics and polymers, hydrocarbons also foundational to production of plastic and synthetic materials. Materials like polyethylene, polypropylene, for example, they are used in textiles and automotive parts, synthetic rubbers and fibers, and chemicals and pharmaceuticals, chemical feedstocks, pharmaceuticals, many drugs and medical products are derived from synthesized using hydrocarbons, including pain relievers, antibiotics and anesthetics. While hydrocarbons are essential to our lives and the global economy, their use comes with significant environmental challenges. From extraction to combustion, hydrocarbons contribute to a range of environmental issues that need to be addressed for sustainable development. For example, in pollution, release of harmful substances into environment. In greenhouse gases, CO2 emissions contribute to global warming. Climate change, long-term alterations in global weather patterns. And addressing issues like climate change, pollution and habitat destruction will require innovative solutions, cleaner technologies and shift towards sustainable energy practices. So, as we face the environmental challenges associated with the use of hydrocarbons, there is an increasing need to explore and develop alternative energy sources. These sources offer the potential to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, mitigate climate change, and move toward a more sustainable energy future. Solar energy, wind energy, biofuels. For example, wind energy harnesses the power of the wind to generate electricity through turbines. Solar energy is one of the most abundant and renewable sources of energy. So the future of hydrocarbons is intertwined with a global shift toward sustainability and cleaner energy sources. While hydrocarbons will likely continue to play a role in energy landscape for the foreseeable future, their use will evolve through decarbonization efforts, technological advancements, and the shifting consumer demands. The challenge moving forward will be to balance the continued use of hydrocarbons with the imperative to reduce their environmental impact and the transition to a more sustainable low-carbon economy. Dear students, that is the end of our video session. I hope you have gained valuable insights into the world of hydrocarbons and their future. Thank you for your attention and engagement. I look forward to our next lesson together. Thank you. Goodbye.